How does RAG contribute to the field of conversational AI? Answer: RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, is a significant advancement in the field of conversational AI. It allows conversational agents to access and utilize outside knowledge sources, which enables them to produce more insightful and contextually appropriate responses when interacting with users. This is achieved by integrating generative models and retrieval-based techniques, allowing the agents to comprehend and react to user inquiries more precisely. As a result, RAG leads to more meaningful and captivating exchanges between humans and machines. In simpler terms, RAG helps conversational AI systems to be more intelligent and responsive. By combining the strengths of both generative and retrieval-based models, RAG enables these systems to provide more accurate and relevant information to users. This, in turn, enhances the overall user experience and makes it more enjoyable to interact with conversational AI systems. RAG contribution to conversational AI is multifaceted. Firstly, it enables agents to access a vast amount of knowledge and information, which they can use to respond to user inquiries. Secondly, it allows agents to generate responses that are more contextually appropriate and insightful, making the interactions more natural and engaging. Finally, RAG integration of generative and retrieval-based techniques enables agents to adapt to different user preferences and behaviors, making the interactions more personalized and effective.